Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you how you can send files using WeTransfer on your mobile device like your Android or iPhone. So let's get started. Alright guys, so in the first step, launch a web browser, like for example Safari or Google Chrome. For demonstration purposes, I'm accessing Google Chrome on my smartphone. In the next step, type in WeTransfer.com here in the address line at the top, or alternatively, search for WeTransfer on Google Search. Alright, so that's the mobile version of WeTransfer. To send a file, guys, simply upload it by tapping this button here, send a file. Next, agree to terms and conditions. And on the following page, guys, tap on that plus icon here to upload the file you would like to share with your contacts. With a free membership, you can upload and send files of up to 2 GB file size per month, guys. Alright, so locate the file on your device. Wait for the upload process to be finished. That may or may not take a while depending on the file size. Alternatively, guys, you may click or tap on that button here, add more files to upload more files. And once it's done, scroll down, add a notification message for your contact. Like for example, that's the image or the video you requested. Tap on next here. And on the following page, guys, decide whether you would like to send your contacts a notification email or a shareable link. If you send your contacts an email, they will receive that email with a download link, and that way be given access to your uploaded file here on WeTransfer to download it on their device. So let me stick to that notification email, and once you're ready, guys, tap on transfer here in the bottom right corner, enter the recipient's email address on the next page, your own email address, and confirm everything by tapping on transfer here. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.